We have a deer in the yard tonight. She looks like she wants to jump over the fence.
That's a nice shot. Right in the head.
Sean said that's a nice shot. She doesn't know where she wants to go.
I thought it had antlers, but it doesn't.
No, it
I
doesn't.
just checked it out with the binoculars.
Oh yeah, I just zoomed in with my phone here. She's looking this way. Hope you're not thinking of coming up to my vegetables.
Will go boom.
Oh, there she goes. She jumped the fence. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's doing well. So today I'm just updating my vegetable garden. And Miss Molly, she loves to get hosed off. It is really hot out today. Look at her. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Come here, Molly. Come on, Molly. I was hosing her off and she was rolling in it. Do you like that, Molly? Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What? Say hi to the people. Say hi, everybody. My name is Molly. My name is Molly. Yeah. Are you kissing everybody? Yeah. Are you? You kissing everybody? Look at her looking up at us. Hey, Molly. Hey, Molly. Good girl. Can you sit? Sit, Molly. Stay. There's a good girl. Stay. I don't have any food. I'll bring you some watermelon in a minute, okay? Yeah. We're going to show the vegetable garden and the roosters. All right, so let's start here. I got corn on the cob growing. So the taller ones were the ones that I did from seed in the house. And then these ones that were from seed that I just planted outside here. And then we got all this tomatoes. I mean potatoes. Sean just corrected me. Potatoes. He's hauling some wood over for a fire tonight. All right, this is my garlics coming up. Got a couple coming up in there. And this is all potatoes. These are my watermelon. There's a few flowers coming up there. So they're gonna, that's another watermelon flower. And in this container here is honeydew melon. And it's doing pretty well. And behind it is my pumpkin. It's growing like crazy. We had to put these slats up for it. We're gonna have so much pumpkin. And look at there's the pumpkins already coming up. Can you see that? As long as it's got that underneath, it's gonna be a pumpkin. Because not every flower becomes a pumpkin. All right, I'm gonna have to walk around, so we'll come back to the rest of that one. This one is my celery. Lots of celery coming up. This is my, oh, I'm going to pull this out. This is my orange peppers. And I believe that's my red peppers. And we have one right here. So it's still green, but look at the size of it. And there's lots more coming up in there. These are Sean's hot peppers coming up right there. There's reds and yellows. Orange. Lots coming up in here. Yeah. Now these are my radishes. Why is this big flower growing in here? Oh wow, it's part of the radish. But look at this. There's a huge radish down there. It's popping out of the ground. And then over here, got the roosters going. This is our shallots. Just got some carrots growing in here. There's not a lot of carrots. This one was parsnips coming up. Oh boy, coming through. I just knocked this off. That's that rollout lettuce. I kind of planted it late, so it's starting to come up, and I still got lots left. So I will plant that throughout the rest of the summer. And this one right here is my turnips. They're coming up pretty good. So let's go over here. That's those little decorative peppers. Remember we bought those at the Sheridan Nurseries in Ontario last fall? So look at this. My pumpkin is coming all the way down here, all the way over to here. It's crazy. Lots of green onions coming up, and I have been using them. This is my Brussels sprouts. They grow tall, and then the Brussels sprouts grow off of it. So I don't see anything happening in there yet. And if I flip them back, we have peas. There's my peas. They're ready to pick. We got green beans in here too that are starting to come up. And then in here is my cucumbers. I've got cucumbers growing. There's about, how many cucumbers? 6? Woo, 15 he said. Let me go around the other way. All right, I can't get over to the other side, but there's one. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a big one. There's a little one, there's a big one, and there's quite a few more in there. Look at this one. These bad leaves.
You know the little one?
I don't even know if I'm getting them.
1, 2.
Oh yeah.
There's 3, 4, 5.
Nice.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Pull those dead leaves off. Yeah, there's a lot in there. Let's take a pea and try it. I'm gonna take this one back here. Ooh, look at that. Sit it here. Look at that. I love peas. Mmm. Delish. Here, Sean. Try some peas. Tell me what you think. I'm not doing very good camera today. Not the whole thing. What are you? An animal?
They're
He spat it out.
too ripe.
They're too ripe? I love them like that.
No, because they're woody.
No, they're not. They're delicious.
They're woody.
Well, I'm eating mine. It's delicious. Oh, we got to go to the tomatoes now. So I have this tomato plant that's not flowering yet, but it's still healthy. And then 3 more plants here. They're flowering, but this one actually has, look at this, 4 red tomatoes. And there's a whole bunch in there. Yeah, so we're going to get lots of tomatoes from there. This tomato plant here is starting to flower, and my geraniums are doing really well. I'll bring these over here. Hey, RJ. RJ's hot. Are you hot, RJ? Get you some ice cubes. Another geranium. We've got orange lilies. We've got the red lilies. This was the wildflowers that I planted. They're kind of sparse, but it doesn't help when Molly's going through the flower bed either. But they look pretty, don't they? Then over here is my petunias that I grew from seed. I believe I bought those at Dollar Tree. So aren't they pretty? So there's 4 pots like that. Nice pretty colors in them. These guys are doing well. So that's our garden. Not too bad, eh? Come on! Chick, 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 chick! They're all in there with the watermelon. He's coming out again. Eh? Isn't it cute the way they all follow each other? That's good. Sweet Pea's getting some watermelon all to herself. See her there? Gee, pretty tough though. She pushes her way through to get at the food. Let's see if she'll come out this time. What you guys doing? Hey? It's funny, they're in and out, in and out. I'm gonna go get a chair so I can sit over here with them. There, that's better. Can sit here and watch them. Fluffy butts up in the air. They don't want to go too far away from the run, do they? Trump is sticking his head out. He might come out. This one's having a bath. There's 3 of them laying there. Oh, and if you can see, Molly's over there too. They're having fun. Who likes my new cart that I got? New garden cart. It's perfect. Sean's using it for collecting wood. I was using it to bring the chickens into the garage. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Hey, Molly. What are you doing with the chickies?
Bacon and eggs.
Bacon. No, it's not bacon and eggs. They're my babies. Hey, Molly. That's my babies. Yeah. Look at these 3. Making a dirt path right outside their door. What are you doing? Molly's right there too. Yeah. Hey, Molly, no. Molly. She wants their watermelon. Molly. No, we don't chew on their tails, on their feathers. Molly got in and tipped their food over, so I had to kick her out. Sean's working here. It's a really hot, humid day too.
Dying.
He's dying, he said. Well, don't work too hard. Rome was not built in a day, and neither will the chicken coop be. Hey, Molly. Molly, Molly. Oh, yeah, I'm wearing those shoes I got from Dollarama. They are so comfy. And I can walk in them. They don't fall off my feet. So I might go and order the real thing. Crocs. It's a hot day, isn't it, Molly? Hey, I was hosing her off. She enjoys that. These guys are having a bath in here now. How many can fit in all at once? Hey? Silly girls. Yeah, you are. Henrietta doesn't know what to be up to. I'm watching you, Molly. I gotta sit here and stand guard now. What are those 2? Those are the 2 roosters there coming towards us. You coming out again? I just have one out. Coco is out. I'm not sure where she went. She could be under my chair. Molly, why do you have to be such a little Miss Piggy? Constantly eating all day long. I see that little tail going. I see it. Down to 2 in the bath. It's like having a dirt bath, don't you, say? Look at the beautiful coloring on this one. I think that's Donald. Hello, Henrietta. You jump over them and you squeal? They're pretty funny. So we're gonna name you Rudy, are we? This is Rudy. One of the subscribers came up with that name and it's perfect. And that's Trump in behind and little Sweet Pea, the littlest one of all. I don't know what they find fascinating right outside the door here. Sitting in the shade, watching my chickens. Keeping Sean company. I think he said we need to go get more wood, didn't you? To make the door. It's getting there, slowly but surely. You know, Molly does the exact same thing. She makes a dirt bed too. Only she's laying behind me here. There she is. She decided to have a nap. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of part 1 of building the coop. Sean just framed in this side with the old barn board. Looks pretty good. Then I'll be painting when it's all complete. Little Trump, the noisiest one of all.
Might have to move this one over.
Yeah. What were you just saying, Mr. Trump? Cock-a-doodle-doo? Where are you? See if we can catch him. It's got to be up in the 30s, eh? It's a warm out here. Well, I got up twice to get my water and I forgot. You're precious, Trump. Look at you. Crazy hairdo. You having a bad hair day? Or is that what you look like every day? I know, he's making a lot of noise over there, isn't he? And now we have shutters. It's going to look really good once I get it painted. Woohoo! I love it. Hope the chickens love it. It's a bird bath kind of day. They switched her out. The white ones are in, these guys come out. And there's still 2 of them sitting in there in the other bird bath. You guys are funny. Hello, Trump. Hi, Trump. What you got to say for yourself? Hey, Trump. Hey, Trump. So there, this is how much he's got done today. I said the door is a little skinny, but that's okay. I fit through, no problem. And I think you need 1 more board, don't you? Just to finish this side.
Well.
And what are you making the door out of?
2x4s.
2x4s, okay.
I gotta get some number 1s.
Okay.
Right, and then.
It's looking good though.
Because they're straight, and then chicken wire the shit out of it.
Yeah, and we're putting, we have some tin to put a tin roof on it. It's gonna look good when it's done.
I don't know if I have to change that or not. So we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Or even just another layer on top of it.
To do that too.
Yeah, I would do that. And I put them all in because we're gonna go have some dinner.
4, 5, 6. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I need 4 more sheets.
4 more sheets.
Yeah.
Looks
2 or
good.
3 for the roof.
Oh,
And
right.
to finish the rest.
Okay. We'll have to go and get those.
Yeah. And I don't think you want this. Just, you want me to close this in up top?
I think we should.
Okay, so I'm gonna need.
What do you think?
So I'm gonna need.
Or no, we don't really have to.
Well, I'm gonna put the vents up there.
Because the vents are going to be up there, so we don't want to close it in.
I'm gonna put some 2x2s, prefab, pre-made,
Yeah.
with the chicken wire already on it, so it just slides up and.
Okay, yeah, let's not close that in because the vents have to go up there.
Yeah.
Alrighty. I'll show you what we're having for dinner. It's Saturday today. And is it ever hot? I'd say it's in the 30s. I haven't even checked.
It's too hot.
It's too hot is right. All right, I'll show you what we're having.
I've lost 5 pounds since this morning.
I doubt it. If you have, so have I.
I could have gave birth, you don't know.
Oh my God, Sean! All right, this is what we're having for dinner tonight, Saturday night. We missed going to my granddaughter's first birthday party today, so we're gonna have our own little party here. So I've picked up these smoked sausage made with natural ingredients, and they're smokies. They got cheddar in the middle of them. We're gonna throw those on the fire. I got some nice onion buns to put them in. I just made a homemade potato salad, red skins. I also made a bean salad. And I made another one of my pasta salads. I have chicken here for the dogs and Molly, and they're getting rice and peas tonight. I have to have everything covered because I got a pesky fly flying around. So yeah, that's going to be our dinner. I'm not going to be buying those Little Caesar wet food for the Chihuahuas anymore. They're gone up to $20 plus. I don't think they're worth it. And you know what? The dogs enjoy this better. So chicken, rice and peas, and they can all have that, as well as the pig, Molly May the pig. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get this prepared for everybody, and we're gonna enjoy our dinner. Once these are the bowls that I mixed them in, but they will be going into these bowls with the red lids on top. Yeah. All right, I gotta go make dinner for everybody. So there we have it. This one is for Onyx. She loves her veggies too. That slop is Molly's. RJ likes his in with his crunchies. And this is for Rosie and Max. And we still have lots of rice and peas for tomorrow. I might throw some more into RJ's. A little bit of chicken, but I do have another chicken in the freezer for them. So yeah, have to feed them. Molly! Come on, Molly! Dinner! Here she comes. Can you hear her? Where's she coming from? Oh, she's coming from over that direction. Come on, Molly. Oh, here comes RJ for his too. First we gotta feed Molly her slop. All right, can you get out of the way, please, RJ? RJ, move. Here we go. Molly, sit. Sit. Good girl, stay. There you go. Good girl. I'll go feed Max and Rosie now. Max does not take a break. He eats it so fast. And Rosie, the princess, she has to eat in her bed. She knows when the camera's on her. Here, Rosie. I always have to spoon feed her. There you go. As long as my hand's close and she sees a spoon. Yeah. You're spoiled. Aren't ya? Sean lit the fire for me, and look, Molly's sitting in her pool. I just checked the weather, and it's reading 29 right now. It's 6 p.m. and we're under a special air quality, poor air quality. And yeah, look, it even looks like there's something burning down there at the end of the driveway, like down onto the other road. Yes. Hi, Molly. How's the pool? Eh? Yeah. Look at how dirty it is. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to throw these on the fire. Okay. Let's flip this around. There we go. I'm just going to put them right on there. There we have it. So they'll cook up and then I'll show you our plates and end the video. This is just like camping, but in my own front yard. I get to sleep in my comfy bed. These won't take long. I hope they're good because I don't like hot dogs, but these are smoked sausage. Don't be telling Molly that we're having pork sausages. All right, they're almost ready. Gonna bring them in. I burnt two at the end, but that's okay. I'll eat those. And I screamed there because there's a snake. It ran into the flowers there. Sean's over there. Yeah, I hate snakes. They look just about ready. I think that one at the end's gonna catch fire now. Oh boy, bring this out. Woo, there we go. Yeah, they're ready. I don't know where that snake is, so I'm gonna put these on a plate and run into the house. So I've got my plate all loaded up. I had a little bit of each salad and just one of the sausage in a bun. I put a little bit of ketchup. And I was able to fit the salads into my bowls. And Sean's having two all loaded up there. He just has to put his salad on the plate. All right, so that's it for today. I'll probably end this video now so you get something to watch over the weekend. So take care and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye, everyone. It's Sunday morning, and I ordered these from Amazon for the chickens. Dried mealworms. They came in last week. They're a natural product, rich in protein and vitamins. Look at them. Blah! I don't like those. Anyways, the chickens are enjoying them. And Sean just put some spices on these strip loin steaks that we are having for dinner for Sunday evening.